In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow Instagram app access to photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings, then scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Then tap at Photos, and in that list of apps you can scroll down until you find Instagram, and that's where you can allow photos access for the Instagram app. All you have to do is just switch it from none to all photos or to selected photos. In that case, that will open up camera roll, and then you can select those photos to which you want to give the access for the Instagram app. Then just don't forget to hit add done, but I recommend you to set it to all photos. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.